5/20, 2026. Yep. Such fun. That's who I am. That's my part number. Hopefully you can see it. Part number is ZAK630109. ZAK630109.
There's a hammer back.
Yeah, if I ever get my part, you can use it for now. There's the shaft I got. So I've been arguing with the guy at Standard Axle. Is that what it's called? Yep, Standard Gear. He's like, that number don't have an A in it, especially for the second letter. Second letter is not an A. I got news for you, dude. The second letter is an A. Oh, and the stud don't fit. That was pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, that'll be able to tighten your wheels up like that. Not only is it wrong, the studs they sent with it won't even fit in it. Throw them back in there. Not Rock Auto's fault. Standard Gear's fault. The misbox. So anyway, yeah, God bless from 405. I'm a little perturbed. I'd like to have my van fixed, but I'm here in there arguing with a rep. I asked him right off the bat, do you want me to call customer service? He wants to keep talking about it. Now he's got a YouTube video probably if I post it. I'm thinking about posting it. Nobody ever figures what the mechanics got to go through dealing with the parts, especially if the parts are wrong. I mean, everybody makes a mistake, but why do I got to eat it? You get off scot-free, and I get to do the job and sit here and wait. Waste time, sending back parts, reordering parts, wondering if I'm going to get the right parts.
Yeah.
I guess he ain't answered since I started the conversation. Yeah, we started out right here. I told him that's what I got. You got my email. Already made this video, but I want to remake it on this one. So he tells me about the part number and that. I said, got the right part number, dude. It's a misbox. Told him it's a misbox twice. Now I'm telling him I'll make a YouTube video after I told him I could send him some pics. But he wants me to go here to Randy's and read all about the drive shaft. Don't know what he wants me to do at Randy's. He wants me to contact Randy's. I didn't buy it from Randy's. So, yeah. God bless them, 405.